everyone, my name is Carson and I'm on the team here at Simple Modern. I'm excited to walk you through some of the features of our Summit water bottle collection. The Summit collection is the most versatile selection of bottles created at Simple Modern. Whether you need a large bottle to stay hydrated during a long hike, or your child needs a bottle that's easy for small hands to hold, we've got a size and style that's perfect for you. All Simple Modern bottles have double-walled insulation and a copper-coated interior that will keep your favorite drinks at optimal temperatures for hours. We use superior food-grade stainless steel for all our bottles and BPA-free plastic for our lids, so you can be certain that all materials are toxin-free and incredibly durable. Plus, the exterior won't sweat, so you don't have to worry about slippery bottles or needing to use coasters. The Summit is available in 10, 14, 18, 22, 32, 40, 64, 84, and 128 ounce sizes. The 10, 14, and 18 ounce sizes are perfect for kids and feature exciting patterns they will love, like construction vehicles and cute animals. The Summit is available with a variety of lid options: the twist-on stainless steel lid, the flip lid with handle, the straw lid with handle, the chug lid with handle, and the kid-friendly sippy lid. The stainless steel lid is great for cold drinks. Just twist off the lid, add ice, and fill the bottle with your favorite drink. The flip lid also twists on and is perfect for hot drinks. It has a small opening that flips open and snaps shut securely. It allows you to sip tasty hot beverages without the risk of spilling a drop. The straw lid is perfect for working out at the gym when you need to get a drink fast. The straw flips up and provides a premium drinking experience and is leak-proof when closed. The chug lid is great for quick thirst quenching and works best with cold drinks. Simply unscrew the top and lock it back in place for easy drinking. Then we have the kid-friendly sippy lid, which is perfect for that little one in your life. The lid is built for easy drinking and being on the go with a leak-resistant design. Our Summit comes in a huge variety of colors and patterns. You can opt for a simple solid color or add some pizzazz to your hydration game with a marble design. To protect the base of the bottle, add a silicone boot. It helps prevent scratches and keeps your Summit looking brand new. The lids and silicone boots are available in a variety of vibrant colors, so you can pick your favorite hue and show off your unique style. With its premium durability, double wall insulation, and versatility, we know the Summit water bottle collection will be perfect for everyone in the family and for all of life's adventures.
Those hazard lights can't stop me. I just hold on for dear life. Yeah, I can't